What if I tell you, a function is hiding inside another function, and we have to unmask it? Let's decode this mathematical mystery. We are not finding the value of x, we are solving the function of x. Looks like this is a complicated variable, so we have to replace it with t. So t is equal to 2x minus 1 by x minus 3. So left side becomes f of t. And right side also replace x with t. For that we have to modify the t. To modify t we have to multiply x minus 3 and both sides. Right side terms x minus 3 and x minus 3 will be cancelled out. Then we get as 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Then multiply t inside, then we get as Texas minus 3t is equal to 2x minus 1. Now take x terms to left side and minus 3t to the right side. Then we get as tx minus 2x is equal to 3t minus 1. Take x as common, then x into t minus 2 is equal to 3t minus 1. Now divide x minus 2 on both sides. T minus 2 and t minus 2 will be cancelled out, then x is equal to 3t minus 1 by t minus 2. So now we have the x value completely in terms of t, so now we have to go back to the original function f of t. We already know the left side function is f of t and right side is x square. So now substitute the x value over here. Then we write as f of t is equal to t minus 1 whole square by t minus 2 whole square. So at the stage the function is already done in terms of t, so t is a temporary variable, so we have to replace it with the actual variable x, so our goal is to find the value of f of x. So f of x is equal to 3x minus 1 whole square by x minus 2 whole square. So the hidden function was revealed. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting problems.